Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little declutter and organization of our big linen closet. So now that we're in the new year, I have been really motivated to declutter my entire house. Things through the holidays were starting to bother me and I really wanted to declutter them then, but it was just too much to take on at the moment with everything going on. So now I am bringing to you my declutter and organization of my linen closet. So let's jump into the decluttering. Started as I do with everything that I declutter, I am just taking every single thing out of the linen closet. This is also a great time to kind of categorize things you want to donate, things you want to keep, and then things you need to put in their proper place. I had a lot of items that actually go down with my craft stuff in our basement that just kind of collected here over the holidays, so I put those in their own separate pile to take downstairs. Pulling everything out like this will just help keep you motivated and on track for decluttering and helping you get rid of things that you don't need anymore. Then I'm going to give the area a quick wipe down with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. So I typically fold my towels like this, up in the three, and you see there's like a little bit of wasted space, plus they're like come out pretty thick. So I decided now they are folded like in half, and look, two towels are the same height as one towel now, and it takes up all the space. My goal today was to reorganize and declutter without purchasing any new bins or totes or anything like that. I find that I can get a really nice looking space without having to go buy new things every single time I reorganize it. When I show an overview of the finished product, you'll notice that I have a couple bins and a couple type like IKEA boxes, little things like that. These are all things that I already had in my home that I felt like would serve a better purpose or be more functional in this closet. Here I'm just going through a lot of the craft stuff and paperwork that I was deciding if I wanted to throw it out or if it was going downstairs or going back in this closet. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to successfully fold a fitted sheet. You get it into 4 squares like I have here, and then once you get to the corners, you pull those corners down to make the best square you can. It's not going to be perfect here, but get pretty close. Then you're going to fold it over in a third, and then a third again, and then long ways fold it in thirds as well. And you have a nicely folded sheet. I decided to take it a step further and fold the flat sheet and the pillowcases, or one pillowcase, to be the similar size, and then I'm going to put those 3 items into the second pillowcase, so that's kind of like a package in your closet. This is one of the best tricks I've discovered. It's taking a laundry basket or a tote that you have laying around, grab all the items that you want to take to one location. For instance, I'm grabbing all the craft supplies and anything that I want to take down into the basement, putting it into this basket so that I only have to take one trip. So here's the finished product. It's much emptier than it was before, just because I did get rid of a lot of things like extra comforters that we weren't using ever and extra things like that. I mean, I even have this huge space. I have games up there. I wanted to take those downstairs, but ended up leaving them. All my extra pens and everything for my planner and crafts and stuff like that I like to have easy access to. And then I put this little bin in here because all of these things were in like a stackable bin and it just was not convenient, and sometimes I need those things quickly. Down here I have extra little tea light candles that I need to get through. And then I use this box to put some of my like electronic type things. Then I have a ton of space in the bottom, my little toolbox or tool bag. All my Bath & Body Works candles and a few others. And then I have just like random things in here, like extra pillowcases and then extra small blankets. These are just ones I just can't get rid of. Like one of them is from high school, stuff like that. So here are those little sheet like packages I made. I have one extra sheet for our bed, one extra set of sheets for our the inflatable mattress, and then one extra set of sheets for the spare bed. And I really hope that these videos that I'm sharing with you guys are motivating and helping you with whatever you're looking for from them. If there's something you'd like to see from my videos, then let me know. I'm always open for ideas for new videos or new ways to do them, or maybe there's something you'd like to see in my cleaning videos, or maybe there's something you'd like to see with planners, with DIY projects, whatever the case may be, just let me know. If you have any other tips or tricks that you'd like to add to decluttering, then leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinions and what you liked about the video or what you like to do in your own house. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below.